Hey YouTube, I needed to get some boulders out of a field that I'm working on, so I took and made this clamshell grabber. It's not really a bucket. I took and put some pointed rebar on here. So it works with a scissor action, kind of like an old ice block carrier, or one of those items that they use for pulling logs out of the forest. I don't know the name of that, but when you pull up on this center chain, your bucket goes together. So this is my post hole digger right here. I took and made this thing up this morning so I could hook that right there onto it and lift them rocks up, them boulders up out of the ground and get them out of the field. I don't have a bucket on the front of my tractor, so this is how I got to do it. I hope this gives you some ideas. Very simple to make. Anyhow, if you're going to post something of it's going to educate somebody or give somebody some knowledge. We don't care how pretty your truck is, how many accessories you can put on it. Post something that's going to help somebody.